We manage labeling and the generation of plant schedules in gCADPlus software by creating a simple text file, which we call a GCP file. There are occasions when you might want to record not only botanical name, common name, type and codes, pot sizes and so on, even cost, where you want to record in your plant database file spacing, and we don't have a spacing column in the standard GCP file. If you want to generate your own, you just go Tools and create your own text file, but it's easy to select a column and simply rename it. Just pick change column, and I've done that in this instance, and we are recording in the custom column, which is part of the standard arrangement. We've just changed this name to spacing. Clearly it's not available for custom, but spacing is important to this landscape designer. A variety of coding systems are used by gCADPlus users. My preference is to use the first two characters of the generic name, SC for Schotia, and then the first two characters of the species name, Brachypetala, and I use capitals. But others will use a mixture of lowercase and uppercase and quite long codes. The reason we enter the code information is that the code information can, of course, be printed on the schedule that is generated automatically. The other thing I'd like to point out at this stage is because this is a simple text file, you can use it for sorting. At the moment, the whole list of plants is sorted on botanical name. So if I click at the top, it's now in reverse order of botanical name, and now back in order of increasing order. Common names the same. You can reverse the order of the common name. More usefully, click on type, and that'll gather all the small shrubs, small trees, and so on together. So it is worth putting some time into your plant database file. And when it comes to creating the schedule, you have a variety, you have a selection of different output. You can forget about the botanical name and just make a list of common names, ignore type, and just print the code. The other reason when we were talking about code is that if you use lowercase is sometimes more difficult for the construction team to read your plan and place plants. Using a mixture can sometimes be more difficult than uppercase. So we encourage the use of uppercase in coding plant species.